Have you ever wished you could control your PC from anywhere? Even power it on, access the BIOS, or fix it when the screen goes black? Introducing PiKVM, the DIY device that gives you full remote control over any PC, like a pro system admin, right from your couch. PiKVM stands for Keyboard Video Mouse over IP. It's not just remote desktop software like TeamViewer or AnyDesk. It lets you access your computer even if the OS is crashed. Yes, even the BIOS. So what makes PiKVM special? Always on access, even when your PC is turned off. BIOS level control change settings or install OS remotely. USB emulation, act like a real keyboard and mouse. Remote reboot with ATX control. It's like having a personal IT guy inside your PC. You can build PiKVM yourself using affordable parts. Here's what you'll need. Raspberry Pi 4, 2 GB is enough. HDMI to CSI capture card for video input. USB-C OTG cable for keyboard mouse emulation. Optional, ATX control module to power on-off PC remotely. Now the magic begins. 1. Flash the PiKVM OS to your SD card. 2. Connect the HDMI, USB and ATX cables. 3. Boot it up and log into the PiKVM dashboard from your browser. Default credentials are admin, but change that immediately. Here's what you can do once it's set up. Control your PC even if Windows crashes, enter BIOS, install operating systems. Use it as a rescue tool for friends or servers. Wake, reboot, or shut down the machine with one click. Before you go all in, here are a few limitations. Max resolution is 1080p at 60 fps, no 4K yet. Slight video delay, around 100-200 ms. Not fully compatible with Raspberry Pi 5. Some BIOS screens from HP or Dell may need extra tweaking, but for most use cases, it's rock solid. If you're serious about working from home, managing servers, or just love tinkering, PiKVM is one of the best upgrades you can make. And the best part? It's open source and totally customizable. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful.